Get out of my seat, Bob! Hello, everybody! It's me, the Necrofessor, and I'm back! I know it's been some time, hasn't it? Well, even a plague doctor such as myself tends to get sad every once in a while, and every once in a while I tend to slink away into the darkness whenever I'm feeling bad about myself. Abby, am I a bad person?
Yes.
You didn't even let me finish.
Well, let's see. You've caused massive genocide on a number of occasions, given more people the plague than cured them from it. You're insane, homicidal, and before I met you, I was not a brain in a jar. And if I still had my fingers, I'd probably be using one of them right now.
You ever wish you could just go back to a better time? Back when everything wasn't so freaking crazy?
Time travel is a bad idea. You know this. And newsflash, things have always been freaking crazy.
Yeah, you're right.
I don't have eyes, but you're probably looking sad. Why don't you just go paint something? That always makes you feel better.
You know what, Abby? You're right! We should turn these forces of destruction into forces of creation. I'm an artist. And we should go paint our way out of these scenarios. That's a great idea. Painting! That's good. Yes, painting. I will paint. You should paint too. That's right, arts and crafts. Let's do it. Let's roll that intro.
I really hate you.
And all is right with the universe yet again. And we're done! This is a 12 by 18 Bristol board, painting done in watercolor. I hope you had a good time watching this. It sure was fun to get back into the swing of things. You know, it's imperative for us artists to fight through all these artistic blocks and force fields so we can continue to push forward with our magnum opus and do the good work. Now, this sort of painting has inspired me to do a different kind of painting. I think I'm gonna go do that now. I'll catch y'all later. Stay creepy.